Today I just wanted to go over some of the parts I'll be using to do this TRD Pro Grille conversion on my 2025 Sequoia. Here are the TRD Pro Grille and also OEM Marker Lights that I'll be using. I bought both of these online from a Toyota dealership. Cost around $340 shipped. So $180 for the grill itself and about $140 for the marker lights. I decided to go with the OEM lights instead of the generic ones that I see a lot of people installing. Here's the part number for the marker lights. And as you can see, these lights have the TRD marking on there, and these will fit perfectly onto this grill. I believe the part number is exactly the same as the ones on the 2022 Plus Tundras. Yeah, so once I get my original bumper off, I'll be able to see how to actually mount this and what hardware I'll need in order to get the marker lights on there. The wiring, you can see just a couple wires, positive, negative. And I already ordered a connector and also a fuse tap, so the wiring will be very clean. And I have also ordered the 18-inch dial dynamic light bar kit. That's for the 22 Plus Tundra, so I'll see how well it fits onto the Sequoia grill. So here's the dial dynamic 18-inch light bar to go with my Sequoia TRD Pro Grille that I'll be installing. So this kit here is actually for a 22 and up Tundra TRD Pro. Dial Dynamics actually does not make a kit for the Sequoia, so I figured I'd give this one a try and see how it fits up. You can see the light bar kit comes with the generic SS18 light bar. I got the white combo light. And it should come with all the hardware and also the wiring harness for the whole install. So let's open this up and see what's inside. So as you can see, everything is nicely packaged. Everything's all nicely wrapped, protected. Comes with a couple zip ties, washers. The mount bracket is nice and heavy, thick piece of steel. Overall quality seems pretty well. And to my surprise, it actually comes with the camera mount for the TRD Pro Grille, which is nice. Then you don't have to go and buy a 3D printed version separately. And here are the upper and lower support mounts for the light bracket. I'm actually surprised that this kit comes with it. It's similar to the one that Westcott sells, so which is kind of nice that it's included. But I doubt those will fit on the Sequoia grill since the Tundra grill is slightly taller and I'm not sure if the profiles are the same. So here's the 18-inch Stage Series light bar from Dial Dynamics. There's just some generic details of the light bar, the generic mounting, and also the beam pattern. Again, I chose the combo light pattern for this one here. And then inside this little box. So these are the generic mounts and screws hardware. We won't be using those since the Tundra kit comes with all the mounting brackets that are specific to the TRD Pro Grille. And opening up the 18-inch light bar here, overall quality seems pretty good, nice and heavy. The wire's pretty thick. And I see a lot of people using the cheap eBay Chinese-made light bars for their grills, and I just decided to go with the nicer option. This one's nicely built and quality seems very nice. And also for $300 is really not that bad. And here's the wiring harness. It includes a 30 amp relay, so we can add additional light bars if I ever needed to. And the install is pretty straightforward. The wiring kit comes with everything, the button for you to wire it all up. But I plan on using the TRD Pro light bar button from Toyota. That'll be installing into the dash, so I'll have to modify this wiring kit. So yeah, this is an overall view of all the parts that I'll be using for my TRD Pro Grille conversion. So I'll be doing an install video real soon, so stay tuned.